Hi guys, Peter, not your average guy on a Never Mind Your Own YouTube channel. I'm in Cyprus and I have been able to closing into this monastery that I saw on top of a hill.
And that looks like a building on top of that mountain. And would that be a castle or something? Or maybe it's a monastery?
And what I want to do, I am almost there, but I want to fly the drone from here and then fly up towards this thing and then film it and then come back. There's quite some wind, but my Phantom 4 Pro must be able to handle it. I'm going to use the Phantom 4 Pro because there is some wind. It's faster, it's quite a distance over there. It's more stable shots. I might be able to do this with the Mavic Air, but I just feel a little bit more comfortable with the Phantom 4 Pro doing this. Look at this. I turn on the controller for the Phantom and it's beeping like I don't know what. So this beeping is probably most likely because it wants to do a firmware upgrade. Control sticks are not centered. Disconnect the aircraft. Then calibrate sticks in remote controller settings. Okay. So that was the beeping. It was not updating the latest firmware, it was calibrating the sticks. Well, anyway, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change the sticks so that it's what it is normally by default, because I changed it and then I'm always struggling with the sticks when I have another drone or whatever. So, ready to go. I'm gonna record and I'm gonna launch it. Alright, first what I want to do, I want to have a look around, okay? So you guys can see where I am. High wind velocity, yes, I know. So this is the area, and they made a helicopter platform for me, as you can see. Well, the thing is, it is a helicopter platform, but they use this for emergency situations. When there is an accident, whatever, they can pick up the victims. Oh, I need to do one more thing, and that is set the altitude to 500 meters, because I'm gonna fly up this mountain. And I'm gonna fly to this monastery. I'm not recording the screen because I have problems lately. That the telemetry is freezing. It's very strange, but now the distance and the height and all the other telemetry disappears from my screen. Don't exactly know why, but it's a little bit weird. I think I'm already high enough, so And now I need to get used to the sticks a little bit because they're different than what I'm used to. But so this is the monastery, guys. Isn't that nice? I'm gonna position the camera. And now I want to fly around it like this. So you can all see what's going on. Well, shots like this you can only take with a drone. And I have to say, I'm not using the goggles. Aircraft disconnected. So it will come back now. Oh no, it's still there. I'm not using the goggles, and that is just, it is difficult. You don't see it well enough. So I'm gonna go make a similar shot like this to the other side, like this. So now you can see it in all its glory. I think this one was a little bit better. I might lose the signal while I'm on this side. Maybe. So now what I want to do is fly like this. Signal too weak, so I'm gonna fly around this thing. I want to make one more shot that like this, that kinda has to be perfect. Like this. This is going well, but I really have to struggle to see the whole picture. But I think this is going well. Actually, maybe the camera is moving a little bit in the wind. I don't know. I'm even able to make a full turn. Now it seems I'm losing signal. So
go home.
all right. Okay, it's going home. That's fine with me. It's really difficult to make a shot like this. High wind. I cannot see it very well on my screen. I have to take care that I don't lose connection and stuff like that.
Hello.
Hi. Wow. As I said, really difficult to fly because I had to hold up my transmitter so I would not lose connection. I had to look on the screen, but you just can't see it well. You have to do things like this with the goggles because then you see what's going on. Why didn't I do that? I think I saw some camera shocking in the wind over there, so I have to see how good the footage is. Anyway, if you like my experiments, my flights, etc., give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, give your comments, and see you on the next video. So I want to drive away, and then I see this. Drones and other flying objects are strictly prohibited within and around the monastery boundary. Okay, I'm sorry, I didn't see it. I didn't see it.
To the national park, not
Yeah.
is possible drone. Penalty is hot, 6,000 euros.
6,000 euros. So don't try this at home.